Today we're taking a look at a new Solana meme coin trading bot and especially a couple of really cool new features that they just announced that could be a game changer for your meme coin trading. And the bot we are talking about today is called Autosnipe. Snipe meme coins early. This is what their platform looks like. Really good UX UI, super easy to use and to understand. And their new features is the AI sniper as well as their copy trading feature. So this is what their homepage looks like. So you obviously need to start off with connecting your wallet address. Then you need to deposit some funds onto your account and then you're pretty much good to go. Now, if you want to check it out and get 10% less fees when signing up, make sure you use my link down below in the description. But they have a pump fun pairs section where you can see all the new tokens launching on pump.fun. They have a hide rugs section because you can see this warning sign which tells you which tokens are most likely to rug. So if you enable that feature, you can see that it takes away all the tokens that are most likely to rug. Now, obviously do note that all of these tokens can obviously rug. It just takes away the ones that are the most likely to do so. You can see when they're created, you can see liquidity, market cap, amount of transactions, volumes, as well as some security information right here, such as mint authority disabled, freeze authority disabled, amount of liquidity burnt, as well as if the top 10 holders hold more or less than 15% of the supply. And you can also obviously put your own filters on if you want to do that. Now, if you want to get in and out of trades super quickly, you do have an instant buy option as well. So you can put how much you want to instant buy. And as soon as you hit instant buy, it buys the token right away. And if you want to use this feature to get in and out of pump fund token super quickly, you obviously want to probably increase the slippage a little bit to around 10 to 20%. You can put your own priority fee, but they have an AI optimized priority fee. So that is the one that is recommended. You can enable MEV protection as well as set your own bribery amount to get your transactions through even quicker. Then they have top pairs right here. They have top radium pairs as well as moonshot pairs, and you also have your own holdings. They even have an API trading option. I'm not very big into API trading. I don't know too much about it. But if you're interested in API trading, they do also have that option. And if you click on your wallet in the top right, you can obviously deposit Sol into your account. You can withdraw Solana, and you can even deposit using a bridge. So you can, for example, deposit Ethereum and bridge it over to Solana right here with their built-in bridge, which is really cool. But a lot of these features I just showed you are pretty common features in the meme coin trading bot space. A lot of different trading bots have these features, but I want to highlight two brand new features that they just released, which is the AI sniper, basically allowing an AI to snipe tokens and earn automatically while you sleep. So now do note that none of this is financial advice, and even an AI sniper is not guaranteed to make money. You can still lose money with it, but it is super cool, and I do love it when platforms like this innovate with different cool features that you could try out. So they have their standard AI snipers, for example, only sniping tokens in the top trending 24 hours, up to rank 50, and only tokens with at least 100 Solana in liquidity. Now, if you want to use this sniper and activate it, you just put your own trading amount. You can choose how long you want the sniper to be active, stop loss percentage. You can edit your priority fee, and you can also decide when you want to take profits. For example, sell 100% at 40% profit, or you can add multiple different exits. So you can sell, for example, 50% of your holding at 100% profit, and then sell another 40% at 250% profit, and then just keep the remaining 10%. That is one option. And then they do also have this sniper, which is the top trending 5 minutes. So this will obviously be a lot more frequent and active because the top trending 5-minute chart changes a lot more often than the 24 hours. This one is only trading tokens with at least 300 Solana or 38k in liquidity. But you can also create your very own sniper. I did that right here. I'll show you that soon. But basically, if you click on create sniper, you can type the name of your sniper. Let's do Ragnar 2. You can choose what platforms you want this sniper to trade on. If you want only pump fun, only native radium tokens, moonshot, I'm going to keep it at any platform. Listing type new, top 24 hours, top 5 minutes, etc. I'm going to keep it at new. Minimum amount of liquidity. For example, I want this sniper to only snipe tokens with a minimum amount of liquidity of 5 Solana. So that will be like $700. Up to rank 20, for example, only tokens that have burnt at least 80% of their liquidity, only tokens where the top 10 holders hold less than 15%. Now that's obviously quite low for brand new tokens. For brand new tokens launching on PumpFun, it is pretty common for the top 10 holders to hold at least something like 40%. Anything above that, I would probably stay away from. So I'm going to keep that at 40%. And then you can also choose these security options, such as Mint Authority disabled, remove scam tokens, website and social handles available. I will definitely have that on, as well as freeze authority disabled. And then if you click continue, you have your very own sniper created. And similar to what I just showed you earlier, you can activate it using these options right here, decide when you want to take profit, etc. So this is a really cool feature. Obviously it's brand new, so we don't really have too many stats on how successful this sniper is when it comes to profits. You'll just have to kind of try it out for yourself and see what kind of returns that you will be getting. I would recommend you to start out with a very small amount if you were to try this sniper, and then after a few days, if it's giving good returns, you can obviously increase that over time, or if it's not giving good returns, you can obviously deactivate the sniper as well. But as I told you earlier, even though it is an AI sniper, it doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to make you money, but it definitely has really good potential. But now over to the next feature, which in my opinion might be even cooler and more useful for most of you guys, and that's the copy trading feature. Copy traders at hyperspeed mirror buy and sell orders from targeted traders on Autosnipe. So the way this works is you find a trader or a contract address that you want to copy, you just paste it in here, and then you can copy that trader. So to show you an example of how I might find an address I want to copy trade, I went over to Dex Screener. I went on the trending tokens on Solana and I chose this Gringo token, which is currently at 800k market cap. And if you go to top traders, you can see all the addresses that have made the most amount of money from this token. Do note that the top wallets right here are most likely the team themselves buying their own token as soon as they launched it, which is why these P&Ls are absolutely madness. But if you scroll further down, you can find the actual real traders who made really good trades on this token. Now, I would also stay away from the wallets that have a blank bot section, because that means that they probably just got transferred tokens into their address and then sold. So that might also be team wallets. But for example, this guy bought for 1.4k, sold for a total of 6.5k, making $5,000 in profit. Obviously a really good trade. And if you then click on this button, you can see all of his buy and sell orders. So you can see that he bought for a total of 10 Solana, got almost 8 million tokens, and sold for almost 50 Solana. So he made an almost 10x in Solana. Obviously he bought on August 19th and sold just recently in the start of September. And during that time, Solana did fall quite a lot, which is why I showed you earlier that he made approximately a 5 or 6x in dollar value, but a 10x in Solana amount. So a really good trade. And if I then click on one of these transaction buttons, you get brought over to Solscan and you can find his wallet right here. You can then see all the other tokens that he's holding. So this is a great way to also research new meme coins and find interesting meme coins that you might get in early on. For example, he's holding 57k worth of smoking chicken fish, which is a random token I've never heard about. He's holding 5k worth of Mini, which is another token I've never heard about. So this is a great way to just research and find new interesting tokens as well. But here you can see all of his transactions. So what I would then do is research some of his other trades on Solscan to see if he's also made money from other meme coin trades. And if I see that he is very profitable, I would just copy his address. I would go over to Autosnipe again and paste his address in here, click on continue, and then you get brought over to his page. You can see his trading history if he has any history on this platform, which he does not right now. So you have an option to buy for an exact Solana amount per trade he makes. So for example, anytime he makes a trade, I want to copy that trade with 0.2 Solana. I want to allocate a total of 2 Solana to this copy trading feature or copying this specific address. So I won't be spending more than 2 Solana copying his trades, and I will spend 0.2 Solana for every trade that he makes. Or you can buy percentage. So you can, for example, buy 10% of whatever this guy buys. So if this guy buys, for example, 5 Solana worth of the token, you would copy him for 0.5 Solana. And you can also set a max allocation you want to allocate to basically copy this trader. And then if you go to advanced settings, I would probably turn this on as well. Set a minimum threshold for copying by trades. So I would only copy this person if he buys for more than 1 Solana, for example, because it's not really worth copying him if he only buys for 0.1 Solana, because that means he's probably just buying it for some other reason. But let's keep this at 1 Solana. So if this guy buys for more than 1 Solana, I would then buy 0.2 Solana worth of that token, allocate a maximum of 2 Solana to copying this address. You can also set a threshold for the max amount of Solana that this guy buys for that you want to copy, but I don't really think there's any point in that. Then again, you can set your own priority fee. I'll keep it at AI optimized, and you can set your own bribery amount if you want to get your transaction through even quicker. And then basically just activate it, and all of a sudden you're copying a really good and profitable meme coin trader in real time automatically without you having to do anything. Obviously, this is also very risky, and the amount of money you will make or lose on this, of course, just depends on what wallets you end up copying. You do need to make sure you do your research into what accounts you want to copy, and make sure you don't allocate more than you can afford to lose. But these 2 new features on the Autosnipe AI platform are really cool. I'm definitely going to be playing around with them. They basically just launched them, so I'm very excited to see what kind of returns people are making using these features. Now, if you end up trying out this platform and these features, do let me know down below in the comment section what your experience is like. Do note that none of this is financial advice. You're still trading meme coins. You can still lose a lot of money. Make sure to not invest more than you can afford to lose. But if you want to try out this platform and get 10% less fees and you enjoy this video overall, I would highly appreciate it if you use my link down below in the description. I will also leave a link to their Twitter account down below so you can go and follow them if you want to. Make sure you join my Telegram down below. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content just like this. Let me know your initial thoughts down below in the comment section. I'd be very interested to hear your thoughts. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.